Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn off public folder sharing in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click View by small icons. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click down arrow in all networks. Check Turn off public folder sharing. Click Save Changes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.